Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a detailed review of the HP 15SFQ 5007TU, a laptop that promises performance, style, and practicality. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The HP 15SFQ 5007TU features a sleek, natural silver finish that feels premium. The micro-edge display design gives it a modern touch, while its lightweight build makes it easy to carry around. It's perfect for professionals and students who are always on the go. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is another highlight. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, watching your favorite shows, or even light editing, the visuals are sharp and vibrant. And thanks to the anti-glare coating, you can comfortably use it for hours, even in brightly lit environments. Now let's talk power. The HP 15S is equipped with an Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. While it's not a gaming powerhouse, it's perfect for everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and light multitasking. The SSD ensures super-fast boot times and quick file transfers. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you get a clean and intuitive user experience. Plus, features like widgets and multitasking tools are great for productivity. The backlit keyboard is a big win for late-night productivity. The keys are responsive and well-spaced, making typing a breeze. It's a thoughtful addition that many laptops in this price range lack. For casual users, the integrated graphics handle basic tasks like video streaming, photo editing, and even light gaming effortlessly. If you're not into heavy gaming or video editing, this laptop has got you covered. Overall, the HP 15SFQ 5007TU is a great choice for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a dependable laptop for everyday use. At its price point, it offers solid performance, stylish design, and thoughtful features. If you're interested, I've linked the product in the description below. Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next ones.